While the cryptocurrency market is experiencing a downturn, with only occasional small corrections, the Ethereum Foundation has introduced the concept of the Ethereum Interoperability Layer. The essence of this initiative is to establish a unified compatibility layer that will integrate all Layer 2 L2 networks into a cohesive ecosystem. With this layer, users will be able to perform transactions across different L2s directly from their wallets, without the need for bridges or third-party relays. In simple terms, this is a step towards ensuring that all L2s operate as a single Ethereum blockchain. The developers at the Ethereum Foundation are confident that the interoperability layer will become a key component in scaling the Ethereum network. Currently, the main issue with L2 solutions is their fragmentation. Users are frequently forced to move assets between different networks, relying on bridges that are often vulnerable to hacks and have low transaction speeds. A unified compatibility layer would eliminate these drawbacks, making interactions with L2 simpler and more convenient. The interoperability layer concept envisions the creation of a standardized protocol that will allow L2 networks to exchange data and assets directly with each other without the need for additional intermediaries. This would reduce fees, increase transaction speeds, and enhance security. Implementing the interoperability layer will require significant efforts from L2 solution developers, as they will need to adapt their networks to the new standard. However, the Ethereum Foundation believes that the benefits brought by the interoperability layer will outweigh the costs of its implementation. In the long term, this will not only simplify operations with DeFi and other applications, but also potentially attract new users to the Ethereum ecosystem. Trading recommendations regarding the technical picture for Bitcoin. Buyers are currently targeting a return to the 92,900 level, which opens a direct path to 95,900, and from there it is only a short step to 99,400. The furthest target is around 102,400. Surpassing this level would indicate attempts to return to a bull market. In the event of a decline, I expect buyers around the 89,200 level. A drop below this area could quickly push BTC down to around 86,500, with the most distant target at 83,900. As for the technical picture for Ethereum, clear consolidation above the 3,048 level opens the path to 3,163. The furthest objective is around 3,256. Breaking above this level would indicate strengthening of the bull market and increased buyer interest. If Ethereum declines, buyers are expected at the 2,920 level. A move below this area could swiftly bring ETH down to around 2,756, with the most distant support at 2,592. What we see on the chart: red lines indicate support and resistance levels where either a price slowdown or active growth is expected. Green lines indicate the 50-day moving average. Blue lines indicate the 100-day moving average. Light green lines indicate the 200-day moving average. Typically, a crossover or price test of these moving averages either halts market momentum or sets a new directional impulse. The material has been provided by robotfx.org.